Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make e-commerce website with payment gateway for free. The platform that we'll be using for this example is none other than Equid.com. The reason why I recommend Equid is you can use it for completely free. This is not a free trial period. This is free forever. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. As you can see right here, free forever. With Equid free plan, you'll be able to start selling and adding products from AliExpress and other platforms for completely free. There is no catch. So what you're going to do is go onto equid.com and you're going to tap on get started for free. From there, you'll be able to sign up using your email address and other methods. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And this is my Equid store. So for example, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and hover over catalog and I were to select product, you can see some products that I've added from AliExpress and also from Printful. And Printful is a print-on-demand platform, so this means that I'll be able to send my own t-shirts and hoodies and so on, and I don't have to worry about the creation of it. All I have to do is simply upload a design, and from there they will deal with the delivery and everything like that. So if it is a case that you like to sell your own clothing, you can do that using Equid and Printful. And if it is a case that you'd like to start your e-commerce store and you'd like to import products from AliExpress or so on, you can also do that, as these products were imported from AliExpress. The only pullback when it comes onto Equid is you'll only be able to add 5 products. And this is perfect for anyone that is getting started, as you can test out your first 5 products, and then after you start getting some sales, you can go onto their paid plan, which is only $21 per month. And with their paid plan, you'll be able to add over 100 products and get so much features as you can see right here. So this is definitely the most budget-friendly way to start e-commerce website in 2024 and beyond. So what I want you to do once on Equid, to add an app, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. After selecting apps, you will be redirected to their app market. Now, if you want to do drop shipping, you're going to select drop shipping. And you can select Printful if it is a case that you want to start doing some print on demand, starting your own clothing brand. If it is a case that you would like to add products from AliExpress, you're going to select Sub Dropshipping. And Sub Dropshipping is an app that you can use for completely free. So you would select Sub Dropshipping, then you would tap on install right here. But since I've installed it already, all I have to do is simply tap on open app. And I'm just going to be logging in real quick and then we can continue with the tutorial. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to this page. And now to start adding products from AliExpress, you would go over to the left hand menu option, tap on find product, then you're going to select imported products. After selecting imported products, you can see some products that I've imported in the past. Now to add a product, you're going to open a new tab, go onto AliExpress, and you're going to search for the product that you would like to add. So for example's sake, let's say I would like to add this product. I would simply select the product. So let's do that real quick. And once on the product page, all you'll need to do is copy the URL. After copying the URL, you're going to go back into SUP and you're going to paste the URL right here. After pasting the URL, you'll tap on import product. Then you're just going to give it a few minutes and then you're going to see the product up here. So you either give it a few minutes or a few seconds and then you'll be able to add the product. You can see the product has been added right here. So all I would need to do now is tap on listed to store. After you have selected listed to store, you can scroll down and you could edit the different variants. You can also tap on images and you can choose the mockup images that you would like to use. You can edit the product description and so on. Once you are finished, you're going to tap on list it now. After you have tapped on list it now, from here you can choose the price that you would like to sell it for. So you can set your selling price right here. So for example, I'll be selling it for $21. So after setting the price, I'm just going to tap right there, and you can see it has now been listed. Once the product has been listed, if we were to go back into Equid, then go over to the left hand menu option and select catalog once more and then tap on products, you can see the product right here. And now you can scroll down and you're going to select payment from the left hand menu option, and from here you can connect your PayPal. So you'll simply sign into PayPal, and depending on the country you're located in, you can also offer your customers different payment methods. You can also design your website by tapping on design from the left hand menu option. You can customize how your website looks. And that's basically it. You have now created your e-commerce website for completely free with payment options. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.